Was the America's Next Top Model documentary an example of how someone could be saying sorry but still not admitting to anything as their fault? This documentary was a lot heavier than expected. Still can't believe this was part of my childhood and so normalized. Reflecting on the documentary, it's a fascinating example of what a non apology could look like, particularly from Tyra. First, she took credit for the success of a lot of the models, but actually, a lot of them also clarified that winning ANTM made it more difficult to be successful. A lot of them became sidelined after winning the show. Second, the blame shift. Tyra would admit that something was wrong, but she would always shift the blame on other people that made her do it. Like she would say it was the fans that wanted the drama, the network executives wanted more money, or the fashion industry was already this intense and snobbish. And while those were possibly contexts that created pressure, apology still reflects on what part a person played. And third is a disconnect between actions and words. The two J's were iced out and ghosted when Tyra no longer needed them. And on camera, she said she would reach out, didn't follow through. A real apology would have had accountability, ownership, and an actual proposal for things to change. Interestingly, we see versions of this everywhere in work, relationships, and friendships. So, a wider question from this documentary is really what makes an apology genuine?